Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this FM transmitter made by Unbreakable. Now you can find this FM transmitter on their site. Links will be down below this video if you want to go pick this thing up. And I guess there's not much more to say about it, so let's go ahead and just show you around the box. It's pretty basic. So it's Unbreakable right here. And then on the back here we have a couple features. You can see it has 3.0 USB ports, USB 3.0, and then we also have hands-free answering for, calls, of course. And then we also have a bass booster button, which is pretty interesting. I'm wondering how that'll work, but I guess we'll see here. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Some tape sealing it. Let's go and cut that. And let's go and get the knife in there to kind of pull up the box here. There we go. And all right, there it is. Looks like we also have a little card in the box here. Set that off to the side. And here is the FM transmitter. I'm going to take it out. User manual is right here. And here it is. So far, it looks pretty cool. Feels pretty all right. Yeah, so there it is. Pretty nice. So I guess what I'll go ahead and do now is plug this in, of course, set it up to my phone via Bluetooth, and go ahead and try it out. All right, so here I have the FM transmitter plugged in right here, all set up, paired up to my phone. And first of all, I've got to say, so far, it's actually working very good. I'm pretty happy with it. So let's go ahead and just get into my phone here, and let's go ahead and play a song now. This is a song that I made years and years ago. It's copyright free, so let's go ahead and play it here. Turn up the radio here. It's all going through this, by the way. Show the bass boost button here. It does actually legitimately increase the bass. Almost a little bit too much for this car here. This doesn't have great speakers, but it does in fact boost the bass, which is actually really, really cool. Let's go and pause it here. Actually, I'll just turn it up a little more just to show you guys. It is working. Sound quality is actually pretty good. Obviously, that'll mainly depend on your speakers and your actual radio. However, it also depends on quality of the actual transmitter here, and in this case this one's actually pretty good, one of the best I've heard, in my opinion. Let's go and turn it down here. Also want to show you guys how to actually change channels here. So what you have to do is press this CH button for channel, of course. You're going to click it here, and then you'll turn this knob here, and you can adjust the channel from here. That's going to bring it down. I believe I was on 88.1, pretty sure. And yes, I was. Just going to wait for that to stop blinking here. I'll show you guys. You push in here to actually, you push in and hold to actually bring up Siri. As you can hear right there. It's going to cancel that. And then you could also, let's go and play the song here. You can actually press in once to go ahead and pause and unpause the song. As you can see right there, pretty cool. And then you could also go down here to actually go to the next song, or you could go to the right here to actually go to the last song that you played. So that's pretty cool. So far, again, this thing's working just fine. Of course, the USB port there, well, that's just simply a USB port. Nothing really fancy about that, but hey, there it is. So far, I am actually pretty happy with it. Alright, so overall, what do I think of this FM transmitter? Well, so far, I'm actually pretty happy with it. Number one, looks good. Number two, it seems to work good. And I also really like that bass boost button there. That is very helpful. If you had better speakers in your car that could actually, handle more bass, it definitely sound a lot better. However, the ones in this 300Z actually just aren't fantastic. However, it's pretty good so far. And again, I do definitely like it. So if you're in the market for an FM transmitter, I would definitely consider this one here. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.